right, I popped into Walmart this morning to return those plant labels that I purchased that were, you know, a disappointment. And I thought I would check out the garden, and they have all their new additions to their garden center back here. I'm like, they got strawberries, and sweet potatoes, and potatoes. There's some onions too, and garlic and asparagus. And they have these cute little, I don't know, little like baskets that have different collections of things in them. The veggie collection, potato collection, an edible collection. So those were the three choices. Looks nice. I hadn't expected this. I don't even have a cart. And they have summer bulbs out, which I wanted to try some dahlias. I think I may do it. Pick up a couple of things. I don't know. But yeah, these are they have 1, 2, 3, 4 varieties. Oh man, they have the dinner plate ones available here too. So yeah, I'm gonna need to go get a cart because I see definitely a couple of things that I want to pick up. Like, yeah, everything else looks the same. They're setting up all their, you know, oh man, they have more over here. They've really, they're ready. I'm glad I came in here this morning. I'm glad I stopped by because they have, it's fully stocked. It looks fresh, like no one's even picked over it. Oh yeah. Oh, what is this? Look at this dahlia. Pacific Ocean. Okay. All right, I'm in trouble, guys. I'm in so much trouble because these beautiful things. Yep. Oh, I attempt caladiums every year with no success. I don't know, I'll try it again. Let's see what's on the other side. More goodness, more goodness. What is this? Pretty daylily. Some hollyhocks. Some lilies. I'm like, oh, they have quite a bit of astilbes. Quite a different varieties. Some ferns. I don't know what this blue sea holly is. I mean, it looks interesting. It's got 3 roots. Orangium? I may be butchering that name, but that's what I'm gonna say it is. Orangium. Oh, they even have a clematis here. They got some bearded iris, ferns, Nephophia, the red hot poker. Oh, look at that liatris. It's pretty. Oh, they have a poppy mix. I was wanting to grow some poppies. So yeah. They have quite a bit of things here that I need to give a try. All right, that's it. I believe that's it. Yeah, these are their houseplants, which I have absolutely no interest in any of this. But just in case someone is, this is what my Walmart currently has. Oh, that's pretty. That looks really pretty. I like those pink leaves, but I'm not gonna do it. Don't worry, I'm not gonna do it. All right. All right, guys, that's what's going down in my Walmart in the garden center today. Hey guys, I wanted to come in and make a short video. I went to Walmart this morning. If you watched my previous video, you know that I purchased some seed labels from there that were quite a disappointment and needed to be returned. So while I was there, I thought I would stop into the garden department and see what they had. And to my surprise, they had quite a few things. I got this Quinault Everbearing Strawberry, and I'm gonna give that a try. It looks really good. And it was only $3. I'm like, I was looking online for strawberries and they were quite a bit more expensive. I got this peony. It says sorbet, blooms spring to summer. There's one root in there. And I got this one. Look at the picture, look at that. That looks so pretty. And then I picked up 2 bags of these seed potatoes. I do potatoes every year with great success, so I figured I will pick up some now. And oh, look at this. Picked up this dahlia. It just looks beautiful. So I've not ever grown dahlias before. Like this Pacific Ocean. Look at those colors. It just looks so pretty. And this last one, Tahiti Surprise. So pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna leave these in the garage, and because it's nice and cool out here, before I tackle planting them. And this strawberry here, I want to know if I can plant this now, because strawberries are winter hardy. So I'll have to look into that and see if I can go ahead and get these potted up. All right, yep, that's my little mini haul from Walmart this morning. I hope these peonies do well, because these pictures have really sucked me in. I don't know if I said peonies or dahlias, but I mean, I'm hoping everybody's able to see that it does say dahlias. And my 2 beautiful peonies over here. All right, that's it. I just wanted to let you guys know that check out your local Walmart garden department. They're putting new stuff out every day.